quality begins to develop in the orchard. But all your effort will go if you don't have the same quality standard in the packing house. If you are not taking every possible steps to sort and package your fruit in the proper manner, your bottom line is bound to suffer. This is true whether you have a run large packing house, send your fruit to a packer, or simply pass the fruits through a small storage shed between the orchard and market. In order for all those things to be possible, growers need to be on the same page with the equipment manufacturers and suppliers. Manufacturers need to be aware of growers' needs when it's come to post-harvest technology, while growers need to inform their suppliers how they plan to use this technology. There are many technologies in packing houses: automatic tote destockers and stackers, multiple ozone generators, compact sizer with automatic distribution, specially designed micro-bubble packaging material for better handling of packed fruit, a barcode system for inventory management. Tray sealing machines can operate the door to more profit in the fresh produce sector, as well as ecological benefit, making it possible to use the least amount of packaging required to deliver the food to the customers in the most safe and fresh condition, minimizing plastic waste generated by clip-on lids and associated transport carbon emissions. Automatic large capacity high-speed inline tray sealing system designed to cut labor cost. It combines high throughput with rapid tool changing and space-saving compact design, optimal free-flow gas flush modified atmospheric packaging, that is MAP, available for extended shelf life. Capable of up to 80 atmospheric packages per minute with a 4 impression tools. The GT1S system is packed with a user-friendly benefit, including our unique promotion modular conveyor system, designed to accept randomly spaced trays from any conveyors and can be fully integrated with line equipment. Options available: free flow gas flush, that is MAP, modified atmosphere packaging, high oxygen gas flush, close cut, method of maximizing throughput and reducing film waste, inboard cut, IC options to provide foam, fill and seal tray presentation, film coding and printing, foil crimping, active conveyors to allow the machine to be used as a straight-through conveyor when packs does not require sealing, back-to-back machine configurations, optional integrations of peripheral equipments such as fillers, multi-head weighers, laser coders, and labels. Standard design features and benefits: 2 minutes tool changeover, low maintenance polymer bearing, simple and accurate film feed system with easy film route, maintenance friendly robust constructions, accurate temperature and seal pressure control, film snap detection, self-diagnostic system, food industry approved hygienic constructions and wash down protection.
Fresh produce recruitment opportunities. Fresh produce is a highly competitive and demanding industry in which companies are always looking for exceptional individuals who can rise to the challenges of this sector. Consequently, the opportunities for career growth and the reward packages offered to successful candidates provide a rich environment for those who can measure up. Vacancies are not just limited to here in UK. Many suppliers and fresh produce companies are regularly seeking talented individuals for jobs situated overseas. Openings from hands-on management through to the board level responsibilities are available across the board range of products and businesses. In addition, career opportunities in fresh produce are also include several management support functions including accountant and quality control.
A line leader. A line leader to meet and fulfill daily customer orders in the most cost-effective way, meeting their specification and maintaining attendance requirements. Main job responsibilities of a line leader. Carry out safety checks to ensure the machinery is in a good and safe working condition. Completing relevant check sheets at start and end of shift. Drive production lines to fulfill daily customer orders in the most cost-effective way, meeting their specification, efficient packing operation and maintaining H&S requirements on a daily basis. Liaise with the shift manager regarding required job. Set line according to the customer specification. Carry out check wear calibration at start of day as and when required. Completing production job sheets and taking them to the production office for processing and ensuring 100% accuracy. Ensure all packaging is removed from previous production run to a correct area. Ensure machinery is regularly cleaned, removing fruit, packaging from the previous production runs. When operating machines, ensure all health and safety requirements are met and maintained, and any breakdowns or inefficiencies have been recorded and report to the production manager and maintenance team. Ensure line is clean at the end of shift as per cleaning schedule and all records are updated and signed off. To ensure food safety and quality related procedures are adhered to by all operatives. To ensure the production line is kept clean. To ensure all food safety and quality standards are met and relevant checks are completed in time. To ensure products are packed to the food safety and quality standards as per the specification. Fruit packer. A fruit packer, you will be working within a fresh fruit environment and your duty will be as followed. Packing of fresh fruits as per required specification. Basic quality checks and quality assurance of fresh fruits. General production duties. Some lifting of fruit boxes. Maintain high level of housekeeping and ensure food hygiene is adhered to. To work effectively and safely in line with H&S requirement. This is a fast-moving environment. All team members must work within maintaining the highest standard of cleanliness. General duties outlined by your shift supervisor. Quality controller. Key responsibilities for the quality controller in packhouses. Inspecting fresh fruits on intake. Online and offline QC checks and associated food safety and quality checks. Positive release. Shelf life control and arrange sample to the dispatch for taster panel assessment. Conduct traceability and recall exercises. Check on thermometer, refractometers and other associated packhouse equipment used. Ability to present trending to the management on food quality and safety. Understanding of quality and food safety management system in line with the BRC accreditation. Instruct packhouse operative on the production line, type of packaging to use and how to pack soft fruit produce. Key skills: good spoken and written English to assist in quality management system to complete the associated documentation legally.